Are you working hard at the gym but still not seeing the fat loss results you expect? You're not alone, and we're here to break down the science behind it. In this video, we'll explore the common reasons why your fitness efforts might not be translating into fat loss, and what practical steps you can take to overcome this plateau. It's incredibly frustrating to invest time and energy into working out, only to feel like your body isn't changing. We understand the struggle. The fundamental principle of fat loss is creating a calorie deficit. This means consistently burning more calories than you consume. While exercise is crucial for health, your dietary intake plays a far more significant role in achieving a calorie deficit for fat loss. You can't out-train a poor diet. A common mistake is drastically overestimating the calories burned during a workout. That intense 30-minute session might not negate that large post-workout meal you planned. Look out for hidden calories in your diet. Small additions like sauces, dressings, and frequent snacking can quickly sabotage your calorie deficit without you realizing it. Liquid calories are another major culprit. Sugary drinks, sweetened coffees, and especially alcohol contribute calories without providing much satiety. Portion distortion is real. What you perceive as a single serving might actually be 2 or 3. Measuring your food, at least initially, can be a real eye-opener. When it comes to fat loss, not all exercise is created equal. The type of training you do can significantly impact your results. If you're focusing solely on cardio, you might be missing out. While cardio burns calories in the moment, strength training offers long-term metabolic benefits. Building muscle mass increases your resting metabolic rate. This means your body burns more calories, even when you're not actively working out, making fat loss easier over time. Beyond diet and exercise, several lifestyle habits are quietly impacting your body's ability to shed fat. Lack of quality sleep throws your hunger hormones out of whack, increasing cortisol and ghrelin, making you feel hungrier and less satisfied, often leading to poor food choices. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which is linked to increased appetite and fat storage, particularly around the midsection. Your body is smart. It adapts to the same routine, which can lead to a fat loss plateau. This metabolic adaptation requires you to constantly adjust your strategy. If you've been consistent for several weeks and the scale hasn't budged, it's time to adjust your routine. Mix up your workouts, reduce calories slightly, or seek professional advice. Fat loss is a journey, not a sprint. Consistency and knowledge are your most powerful tools. Remember, prioritize a calorie deficit, ensure quality sleep, and actively manage stress to unlock sustainable fat loss. Start tracking your calories more accurately today and introduce at least 2 strength training sessions a week. Small changes lead to big results.